Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ekko in the mid lane. Ekko is a highly mobile assassin who thrives on burst damage and clever outplays. During the early game, focus on safely farming minions with your Time Winder, which is your first ability. Use its two parts to clear waves efficiently and poke your opponent. Look for opportunities to land 3 hits on an enemy champion to activate your passive, granting bonus damage and movement speed for quick trades and escapes. This early game strategy sets you up for success. Ekko's kit revolves around his unique abilities. His passive, Z-Drive Resonance, empowers every third attack or ability hit for bonus damage and a burst of movement speed. Parallel Convergence, your second ability, creates a zone that stuns enemies and shields you if you enter it. Phase Dive, your third ability, is a dash followed by an empowered blink attack. Finally, Chronobreak, your ultimate, rewinds you to a previous position, healing you and dealing significant area of effect damage. Mastering these is key to outplaying opponents. Building the right items is crucial for Ekko's power spikes. Start with Hextech Rocket Belt for an instant dash and burst potential. Lich Bane is essential, empowering your auto attacks after each ability cast, synergizing perfectly with your Phase Dive. Rabadon's Deathcap provides a huge ability power boost, scaling your damage significantly. Infinity Orb adds critical damage against low-health targets, helping you secure kills. Consider Zhanya's Hourglass for crucial invulnerability in team fights. For runes, Electrocute is a top choice, amplifying your burst damage. Hunter Titan grants bonus health and tenacity, improving your survivability in extended fights. Hunter Genius provides scaling ability haste, letting you cast spells more often. Strategically, use Parallel Convergence from Out of Vision to surprise enemies with a stun. Your ultimate, Chronobreak, is a powerful escape tool or a way to re-engage, healing you and dealing damage. Practice these tactics to master Ekko.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.